Today we are going to see how to simple ways to share data with others from Google Sheets, but without sharing the sheet itself. So maybe the others, they are not capable of using the sheet. Even we can make the sheet restricted and view only and whatever, but maybe we need to share only the data or some charts or something like that directly from the sheet, but we don't want them to access the sheet itself. Maybe they can take the data and work upon it and something like that. And we need this data to be auto-updated, but not sharing the sheet itself. I need to share the data and the charts, but not the sheet itself. So how can we do this from Google Sheets? We will see this in this video. If we go, that's our simple sheet we were using. Very simple way. The standard way that we share the sheet itself. So the one who is receiving the link using the share with others, just will simply open the sheet on his sheets. Maybe I'm having some restricted areas or make it view only or whatever, so he cannot edit it and whatever. But we can publish our sheet to the web, which is a very powerful tool. So publish to the web. So simply I can publish it as a web page and I can stop publishing at any time. And there are some important settings here that automatically republish when changes are made. This is very important because like this, I will be able to make updates to my sheet, and after, if they update the link, they will see the modified sheet at their side. So maybe if they are not interacting that much, after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, they will see it updated. Okay, but after 30 seconds or 1 minute from my modification, maybe it will not be updated there. So simply, I will start from here and I will make publish, okay? And I will take this link and I will go to totally different accounts and I will insert the link and press enter. So simply, that's your data. No one can access it, but simply they see the data, so you can see the data. If you modify any of this data after they refresh, simply refresh the page. It will not appear directly if you refresh. If you made the modification directly, for example, I close here and I added here, for example, some value like high to make it distinguishable. Okay. And that's immediately now changed. If I go to my shared link and I refresh it, you will not see high appearing here. Even I paste the link again. Okay, you see high appeared here, but Google, as usual, says that it needs 5 minutes to appear. So maybe continue refreshing, it will happen, but Google says that it needs 5 minutes, maximum 5 minutes to appear. So don't make it on a rush that you need the updates to directly appear. Okay, that's one way of sharing it. Another way of sharing it is you go here and on share, publish to the web. Now you have some, you can stop the publishing. If you stop the publishing, okay, and you go back to your sheet and make a refreshing, simply this document is not published or is not available, so he will not be able to see the document again. Another way of sharing instead of web page, you can make it as CSV, which you can open with Excel on your documents or even with Google Sheets or another app, or as Microsoft Excel or .ods, which can be opened also with Microsoft Excel. Even you can share it as PDF file. All these other options will be downloaded to the other side computer, and this data will be updated after maximum 5 minutes if the sheet is modified. So if he uses the link once more after you modify the sheet, he will be able to download a modified copy of the sheet. So that's another way of sharing the data without sharing the sheet itself. So another thing here, so simply, for example, if I click here, CSV, okay, and I copy the link again. Okay, I use it here. So simply, that's a downloadable link. I will save it. And if you click on it, you will be able to open it on Excel, so you can see your data. And here it is the same sheet, and he can access the sheet and work with the data and so on. So that's another way of sharing it. Also, you can share it as a PDF. Okay, so I'll stop publishing. So this means stop publishing. While automated, this means that any modifications will not be reflected to the same link again. He cannot use the same link again. Okay. Another useful tool in sharing, I can click here, select these columns and simply insert chart. Okay, so we got a simple chart here. So now if I share my sheet again, publish my sheet again, so file, share, publish to web page. Okay, okay, now it's coming. Okay, now you can see your chart and you can see that the file, the updated file. So I'll see you. Let's we go to other link. I will stop publishing again. Okay, and you can share the chart only. For example, so if I click on this 3 dots and publish chart, that's publishing the chart only as an interactive. I copy the link. Okay, and then I can use the link to get only the chart. You can see that's only the chart. If you modify anything on your sheet while it is published and updated, for example, I will change one of the here values, make it a bigger value. So you can see this one is modified now. And then I can go to my sheet. We continue refreshing it. You can see that it is coming. It's okay. Now you can see it is coming. The modification is coming to you. As I told you, maximum 5 minutes it will appear. One more tip for the day. Okay, I can click here and then move to own sheets. Now I have 2 sheets, sheet 1 and chart 1. If I go to file, share, publish to web. Okay, here you have publishing for the entire document. So when you publish the entire document, you will have 2 sheets in this document. So if I take the link again, you can see here on the top that you have sheet 1 and you have selection for chart 1, and you can see the chart and you can of course customize it to see it completely here. And this chart also will be interactive, so it will be updated automatically to your sheet. Even this chart can be embedded on a web page. That we will see in coming videos. So join, subscribe, spread the information. See you in coming videos with simple ways for Google Sheets, Apps Script, and all Google apps.